How do you improve a good layout? For East Coast Cement, there was only one choice: make it bigger. The Hornby Magazine and Key Model World team have decided to extend the layout by a further 12 foot to add a station, extra yard facilities, and an elongated storage yard, creating a 32-foot-long layout. In part 1 of this brand new series, sponsored by TMC The Model Centre, Mike Wilde gets to work on track laying, Mark Chivers and Ben Church build the platform kits from PJM Models, and finally, the team gets trains running. But can they complete all the work in time for the Great Electric Train Show in only 5 short weeks? Join us as we present Extending East Coast Cement, available to watch for free on YouTube and keymodelworld.com.
So you're building a model railway. Here at TMC The Model Centre, we cater for all your modelling needs, whether that's Pico Track, Woodland Scenics accessories, even DCC Concepts layout control. And as you'll see behind me, we have a very small selection of one of many different brands we stock, such as Oxford Diecast, Hornby, Bachmann, even Accurascale. Take a look at our website to see the full range of our products. And don't forget, every Friday we upload our new pre-owned listings if you'd like to save a little bit more on your layout build. Perhaps you're stuck with an aspect of railway modelling, or any other aspect of modelling for that fact. Our customer service team is just an email or a phone call away. For everything else, you can visit our website at themodelcentre.com, and if you're passing in the area near Beckhole, Whitby, pop in and see our showroom.